Imagine a world where our most profound transformations and deepest insights come not from bustling activity, but from quiet withdrawal. Consider the biblical account of Jesus Christ, who, before beginning his public ministry, withdrew into the wilderness to fast for 40 days. In this act, Jesus was not merely abstaining from food, he was engaging in a poignant spiritual preparation, setting a pattern that believers have followed for centuries. Today, in a world bristling with incessant noise and distractions, the ancient practice of fasting offers a unique pathway not only to spiritual clarity, but also to physical and emotional rejuvenation. Fasting, in its essence, is a voluntary renunciation of certain or all food, drink, or both for a period of time to achieve a particular spiritual or health outcome. However, beyond its superficial definitions, fasting is a profound gesture of humility and dedication toward one's spiritual beliefs and personal health. In biblical terms, fasting is often shown as a means to purify oneself, align more closely with God's will, and prepare for significant undertakings. In various spiritual traditions, fasting is seen as a way to cleanse the body and the spirit. This act of self-denial can lead to enhanced clarity of thought and a renewed sense of peace. The Christian tradition, for example, views fasting as a physical expression of a spiritual commitment, a direct echo of Christ's journey in the desert. By reducing physical clutter through fasting, one can make room for more profound spiritual experiences and insights. Fasting also poses a unique challenge to our modern, convenience-oriented lifestyles. It disrupts the everyday cycle of constant eating and satisfaction, prompting a deeper examination of our motivations and dependencies. This disruption, uncomfortable as it may be, invites a deeper exploration of personal desires and offers an opportunity to reset one's spiritual and physical compass. Specifically, the Daniel fast, rooted in the biblical narrative from the book of Daniel, involves a partial fast where only fruits, vegetables, and water are consumed for 21 days, seeking to replicate Daniel's discipline and devotion. This fast not only symbolizes a spiritual commitment, but is also known to support physical health by detoxifying the body and improving metabolic functions. There are several ways to fast, each with distinct spiritual and health implications. The most common types of fasts include absolute fasts, where no food and water are consumed, normal fasts, which involve abstaining from food only, partial fasts, where certain foods are avoided, and intermittent fasting, which restricts eating to a specific time frame. Additionally, the Daniel fast, popular among Christians, involves abstaining from meats, sweets, and bread, while focusing on fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Each type of fast addresses different aspects of spiritual and physical health. For instance, an absolute fast, often reserved for short periods, tends to be a profound expression of spiritual distress or urgency, mirroring Christ's fast in Gethsemane. On the other hand, intermittent fasting, which modern research supports for its health benefits such as improved brain function and longevity, can be integrated more regularly and sustainably into one's lifestyle. Understanding the purpose behind each type of fast can significantly enhance its effectiveness. For example, engaging in a Daniel fast during a period of seeking greater humility or clarity can align one's physical practice with spiritual aspirations. This synchronization between body and spirit is central to reaping the full benefits of fasting. Fasting without prayer for many believers is like planting seeds without watering them. Prayer is the spiritual component that infuses fasting with power and purpose. Integrating prayer into fasting not only aligns you spiritually with God, but also fortifies your mental and emotional resilience during the period of physical abstinence. During a fast, prayer acts as a communion with the divine, giving individuals the strength and wisdom to continue their spiritual journey. It allows time to reflect on scriptures, personal challenges, and divine messages. By praying, fasters actively engage with their spiritual intentions, making each day of fasting a step toward deeper spiritual understanding and personal revelation. Practically, it's beneficial to set specific times for prayer throughout the day, akin to traditional monastic practices. These fixed times help in maintaining a rhythm of spiritual engagement and focus. As one progresses in their fasting journey, these moments of prayer can become profound guideposts, anchoring their experiences in a broader spiritual narrative. Starting a fasting journey requires thoughtful consideration and preparation to make it a spiritually rewarding and healthy experience. Before beginning, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are on medication. Plan your fast carefully, considering your physical activity level and daily responsibilities. Start with shorter fasts to understand how your body and mind respond. Hydrate well before beginning a fast, particularly if abstaining from liquids during daylight hours, and ensure that your meals prior and post-fast are nutritious and balanced. Keep a journal to reflect on your spiritual and physical experiences during the fast. Noting changes in your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations can provide valuable insights into your spiritual and physical well-being. Moreover, sharing your journey with a supportive community or a spiritual mentor can enhance your experience and provide you with guidance and encouragement. In conclusion, the practice of fasting offers an exceptional opportunity for spiritual growth, physical cleansing, and emotional renewal. By mindfully integrating fasting and prayer into your life, you open the door to a profoundly personal journey that can transform not just your spiritual life, but also your physical and emotional health. With each fasting journey, you draw closer to the divine and deeper into the mysteries of your own faith. Until next time, this is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.